and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 common habits that can damage the kidneys. The kidneys are a vital organ in the body, and without them, the body is not able to function properly. The habits that I'm going to share today are very common to most of us, and putting our minds to changing them as soon as possible would help prevent the kidneys from getting damaged. The kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, and they are located just below the rib cage, one on each side of the spine. They are responsible for removing waste and extra fluid from the body, and in doing this, they help to maintain a healthy water, mineral, and salt balance in the body. If the kidneys are not working, then your body cannot function properly, and the breakdown of the kidney can lead to a condition that is called chronic kidney disease. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 6 common habits that most of us are guilty of that can damage the kidneys. Please don't go anywhere. Do stay with me. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please remember to hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our interesting videos. The number 1 common habit that can increase the risk of kidney damage is excessive consumption of alcohol. Apart from damaging the kidneys, excessive consumption of alcohol can cause heart failure and stroke. Drinking alcohol frequently and in large quantities can cause high blood pressure and diabetes. And these 2 conditions, that is high blood pressure and diabetes, can be precursors for kidney disease and then eventually lead to kidney failure. Number 2 is the excessive use of painkillers, specifically non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Typical examples are ibuprofen, naproxen, and diclofenac. These drugs would provide you with pain relief, especially if your pain is associated with inflammation. But excessive use and unprescribed use of these medications can cause kidney damage. So anytime you're taking these medications, make sure you don't go over the recommended dosage. And if you have any questions, ask your pharmacist. Number 3 is the excess consumption of salt. Salt is sodium, and excess consumption of sodium can cause damage to the kidneys. The kidneys are involved in the regulation of sodium in the blood. So when it's continually put under pressure to regulate the sodium, this can cause water retention, hypertension, stroke, and heart failure, and high blood pressure can in turn lead to kidney damage. The recommended daily quantity of salt for an adult per day is 6 grams, and this is equivalent to 1 teaspoon of salt. So rather than adding salt to flavor your food, add spices and herbs. These have health benefits as well as provide your food with very good flavor. Number 4 is exercise. Exercising the body regularly can help reduce your weight, and this in turn can help reduce kidney stones. It is recommended that we all exercise at least 30 minutes a day or 1.5 hours a week. You don't always have to go to the gym to exercise. You can exercise in the comfort of your home. Get yourself some appliances and start exercising. Start moving the body. If you don't exercise at all, you can even start by doing a 5 minutes walk around your building, a 10 minutes walk in the neighborhood, and then you increase it slowly to possibly 30 minutes walk every day. The main thing is for you to move the body. It is very essential even for your general health, your mental health, as well as other parts of your body. Exercise, apart from being good for the kidneys, is also good for other parts of the body. So get moving. Number 5 is not emptying the bladder early enough. When you have the urge to pee, make sure you do it immediately, because what happens is When you retain urine in your bladder for a long time, it can cause a urinary tract infection, which can then lead to a kidney infection. And you don't want that because it can be very uncomfortable. So avoid retaining urine in your bladder for a long time. Most of us are guilty of this because most of the time you find yourself in the middle of doing a task and you want to finish it before you visit the washroom or the loo to do the pee. So you tend to retain the urine till you can't stand anymore, and then you rush to the toilet or the washroom. This is not good for the kidneys. Now, the last but not the least is not drinking enough water. Staying well hydrated helps your kidneys to flush out excess sodium and toxins from the body. The recommended daily amount of water for a healthy adult is 1.5 to 2 liters. So make sure you're drinking enough to stay hydrated, as this helps your kidneys to function properly. Staying hydrated also helps prevent kidney stones. There are times when it can be difficult to stay hydrated, especially when the weather is cold and you're not losing any water. You don't feel thirsty, so it can be very hard. But there are ways that you can go around it. For instance, you can get yourself a water bottle, and this would help motivate you to drink. You can flavor your water if you find it difficult to drink plain water. Another way also that you can boost your hydration is to drink a glass of water at each meal. This also helps. I hope we have all learned something new today, and we are going to rectify some of these habits that we practice. Please don't go away without giving this video a thumbs up. Share with your family and friends, and if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please hit on that subscribe button and also on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my interesting videos. Leave your comments and your questions in the comment section. Thank you once again for your time today, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.